Well, we are in the heart of wheat country. So this is dry land wheat production. We talk about cereals, but the bulk of that is winter wheat. And we are a highly productive area for wheat, barley, canola, some green peas. I'm Mary Korp, the director of the OSU Columbia Basin Ag Research Center, just outside of Pendleton, Oregon. So this station was originally established as a branch station in the 1920s, and so we've been here not quite 100 years. We are here in a partnership with USDA ARS, so Ag Research Center. Together we represent about 9 disciplines of science. Between the two units we have a lot of synergism. It's been a good partnership and it's very strong. So we work with growers and crop consultants in the region. So we do that in a combination of ways. So we have local growers that meet with us, and we go out to their farms and look at their problems to help us identify priorities. And then we turn around and take those concerns and priorities and turn them into a series of experiments that help us find answers to how to solve the problems they've identified. At our experiment station, what I say is underneath, we farm the land, and then over top of the basic farming practices used in the region, we lay on top a series of experiments. And the experiments then we're looking for, does it control weed X? Does it give us a greater yield? And then what's the economics of what we've discovered? And then if it's economical and helps the environment, then we turn around and extend that information to our growers, and they adopt it over time and try it on their farms. So the piece that you don't see when you come to the station is that we also go out into our growers' fields and do experimental plots on their locations, so that they can see and their neighbors can see how adopting a different practice would impact their production systems. So it isn't just about the land that we're standing on right here, but it's really, our research extends out into the region as well. Now we've been adding new varieties and new production practices and new weed control tools that have helped build the overall yield that we can get, but also just making it a profitable system for the long term for growers. Well, I'm very excited about our center right now because out of our 4 scientists here for OSU, we have 3 that are relatively brand new in their career and to OSU. And they bring, a fresh set of eyes and skills, newly learned skills and techniques that we haven't perhaps had here before.